How to enable transaction alert on TD Bank Mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you enable transactions alert on TD Bank Mobile. To enable transaction alert on TD Bank Mobile app, you want to first of all log into your TD mobile banking app, and next in the home page you just want to tap the bell icon on the screen. As you do this, you want to make sure to go ahead and select the account you want to monitor, whether it's a checking account, savings, or credit card. After which, you want to customize the preferences such as spending threshold, notifications when balance falls below $100, and you can choose between push notification or email alert as well. And you can enable a real-time transaction notification for personal account, ensuring notifications are turned on in the preferred preferences menu. You could request a valid Canadian mobile number and email address update in your profile as well. And this is how you're supposed to enable transactions alert on TD Bank mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.